Linda, I am excited for the life that we will continue to build with one another. You energize and inspire me to actualize the best person I can be and to seize every opportunity to experience life and to flee from complacency and comfort. I promise to honor, respect, and to love you, and to continue to put our needs ahead of my own in all matters.
Ooh, now my heart's beating.
But I know the way. I know the way home. Go now. While this is
Oh, he did it on a typewriter, which I reference in my vows.
see out the season.
Hi. You're beautiful.
Thank you. I'm trying not to cry.
Something I can call my own, like a wildfire.
I promise to always appreciate the big and little things that make you unique, from your love of typewriters to your sweet, sweet dance moves. I promise to always act as a team and put our interests over my self-interest. I love you and I like you.
I make these promises to you without hesitation or expectation, and will continue to make them every new day of our lives. I love you and I like you.
I know the way.